Hello, my name is Jesus Ramirez. I work as a project assistant for Dr. Servine, and I was one of the coordinators for this spring 2025 Datathon, along with one of my other peers as well. We've been working hard this past semester to have a great event, which is occurring today. And really quickly, I just wanted to go over the badge that we had created today. This badge is essential because it contains the logos of our sponsors for the event, which include Microsoft and El Paso Electric. And El Paso Electric were the ones that gave us the data set for this event, so we're really grateful for that as well. Back here is the most important part. Right here is everything the participants are going to need. It's going to contain all the data sets, all the tools that we covered throughout this entire semester, and as well as other resources to help them with this event as well. The goal was to see if there was some sort of relation between the amount of emissions and the weather variables during that day. So this is real time, real data that does affect our real world in this city. And yeah, these findings can probably give some insights to the people of El Paso Electric, and that's something that we hope to have for this event. What we hope to see today is hopefully something innovative, something creative, and hopefully we can find some talent here for El Paso Electric.